Alright guys, so welcome back to another exciting, fun episode fishing with me, DYangBass. We are, you guessed it, bass fishing. I'm still trying to catch some bass on a jig. It's been a while since I've done it, but today we're going to focus on jigs, Senko, you know, bullet style, creature-based stuff, and maybe potentially topwater. I see there's a couple of mats out here, and hopefully we can like make that happen for you guys. We're bass fishing today. We're going to learn. I'm going to teach you guys something. I'm going to learn something, hopefully. I'm excited, man. I love bass fishing. When it comes to bass fishing, I'm ready, bro. GG, let's go. So stay tuned. Jeez. I thought the dragonfly was flying at me. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys. We're already on the water. Got him the second time. Alright guys, so guess all there we caught one. We're doing a little flipping bite here, pitching and flipping the weed line. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but it's really obvious, right? You can see where it starts and where it ends. And there's some random pockets in there that I don't think they're in there quite yet. They're still on the outside of the weed line. So that one right there looks big enough for me to work. Boat positioning is very important because, like I said, if you shadow them too much, then they're gonna see you and they're gonna feel you. They're gonna run off. Like I said, I don't know if they're quite in there yet. Could be wrong. I'm flipping some pretty nice stuff. That's all I gotta say. Obvious stuff. Things that you should be targeting when you're bass fishing in the summertime. Water temp is 76, 77 degrees. So it is pretty warm. So slower presentation, reaction bite is going to be key today. Before I donate my lure to Pike, this is Pike City, I'm using a Ike mini flip with my ballsy bait Ziz Crawl. The perfect combination to catch bass in the summertime. Got him. Ran right at me. Nice bass, yup. Nice bass. Freaking inhaled it. Oh, whoa, that's a nice bass. Nice one, yup. See the pro, no. It's a good bass. Right there. That's a good bass, guys. Look at that. Choke that jig. It's a beautiful 2.5 pounder right there. I'm gonna put him in a well. That's crazy. It's so windy, it's hard to keep the boat positioned. That's one downfall of aluminum boats, man. The wind will just turn you around like crazy. Little guy. Okay, it's a jig bite today. Nice. So I am fishing a little slower than I normally would for a jig, right? Usually I just pitch and go. But what I'm understanding is that they like it when you just flip it in that area and you shake it off, let it hit the bottom, and just kind of like twitch your back. It's pretty cool. Like that, it got caught. I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna shake it. Yeah, usually with this guy, I just flip and go, flip docks, flip lay down, whatever. But for some reason, they want that kind of presentation. It's working. I mean, I'm catching fish. I just want to make sure I hit every window correctly, because a lot of people, they just like flip and go, and they miss. They go so fast. So that bass is tucked into those weeds. They can hear it, they can see it. As soon as they drop and hit the bottom, they come pick it up, you know. They say you don't want to spend too much time, but you also want to be efficient with what you're doing.
Nice day, dude. I'm gonna start parking back here in this. That's nice, dude.
I know.
You saw my car, right?
Big pike, dude.
Oh, nice.
Oh man, I came right into the pike area. Shake it off, shake it off. Damn it, she's not gonna take it off. I gotta get him. He swiped at it too. That's why there's no bass here. There we go. That was cool. That was cool. I saw a little shadow move in that pocket. Sure enough, it was Babe. Babe was waiting for me. Holy smoke, my guy. Eat the whole thing. That was cool. Yeah! There you go. Oh, dude, that's a nice one. Dude, you're so chunky. Oh my gosh. How fat it is. It's a good bass. Look how gold it is, too. Wow, it's freaking huge. Alright, see you, buddy. You got a nice stomach. Nice, on a horny toad. That's what's up. You gotta live with that. It hit it so hard. There we go, another one. He's not even that big. It hit so hard, dude. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Not even that big. They're freaking crushing it. No. Oh, that's a big bass. Oh my gosh. That's a big bass. Big bass. Oh, let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh. That's a big bass, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh man, it popped right off. Look at that, guys. That's a nice bass, dude. Whoa, I didn't feel him eat it. That's another big bass. Big bass. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. That's a big bass. Oh my gosh, dude. Bro, this guy's freaking huge. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. Look at this. Another 4-pounder. Gosh, dude. You're a giant. Giant. That's another giant. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a 5-pounder. That's a 5-pounder. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh. Look at this, guys. Look how big that bass is. Oh my gosh. I'll let him go before he gets too crowded in here. So with the small one, the small one up. They're all pretty big. There you go. You ready? The second small one. Yeah, they're all big, dude. Oh my gosh. I guess I'll release 2 at a time, eh? There you go, guys. Big bass. Sheesh. Look at those. Look at these absolute tank right here. That was a nice bass. Holy cow. Catch at least. Into the shade. Oh. Guys. That's a wrap. What an awesome, unexpected day. Holy cow. You guys saw there? First off, we started flipping, did some top water, then I fished offshore because it was so hot. Let me put this on, I'm like squinting. Then I went offshore in like 15 feet of water, just slow dragging that Cinco. And oh my gosh. My heart was like pounding so fast, I didn't know how to react. I just threw it in the well right away. So hopefully you guys learned something today. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments down below. Hit the thumbs up. I'm out here, guys. That was nice. I'm blessed. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.